One of the biggest surprises of WWDC 2026 was that Apple didn't announce any subscription plans for its long-awaited Siri AI. However, this generosity might not last forever. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Mark Gurman suggests that Siri might actually get a subscription fee, but not yet, and not for everything. He says Apple will keep all the previously existing Siri features free, along with its new on-device personal context capabilities for searching through messages and calendar entries. There will be a separate subscription for things like conversational responses and image generation. Might be true since these AI features are costing Apple a lot of money, as it's paying Google roughly $1 billion a year for access to Gemini technology. And there will be additional costs to letting hundreds of millions of people running complex tasks on the company's AI systems. And there are already signs of that future arriving, as iCloud Plus subscribers currently get more daily access to Siri's advanced features and a higher daily usage limit. Whether any future Siri subscription would purely be sold separately or be bundled into certain iCloud Plus or Apple One tiers remains to be seen. But it won't come yet, since the AI Siri is still in beta, and early impressions suggest it's not yet as capable as rival services. Plus, Apple will need to win back users who may have given up on Siri long ago and subscribe to rival services. As Gurman notes, Apple's still at a place where it needs to prove to consumers that its AI technology is worth using, let alone worth paying for. So it will take time for the new Siri to catch up, both in capabilities and popularity. But if and when it does, there's a strong chance users will have to start paying to access some of its features. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.